How to install Google Tag Manager into your Wix account. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can install Google Tag Manager into your Wix account. So first you have to create a Tag Manager account, and once you are done with creating a Tag Manager account, just copy this code or ID over here. Now you can see that I have chosen this. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to my Wix homepage, and once I land over here on my dashboard, I'm going to scroll down to this marketing and SEO and go to marketing integrations. And once I land over here, you can see that it's going to give me this Google Tag Manager. Click connect. Now here, once you land on Google Tag Manager, you have to set up a Google Tag Manager container ID, and for that just click add Google Tag Manager and you can add your ID over here. But for that you have to upgrade your site with a premium plan to connect your Google Tag Manager, and that's how you install Google Tag Manager to your Wix account. I hope you found this process easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.